6 Sundown Audio SA 15s on Salt 12 and Salt 500.4.
Okay, that's the one Salt 12 running out everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Wired to 1 ohm, but it's got rise to like 2.
Still put out pretty good, don't it?
Yeah.
You got this thing sounding good in here. Alright, what we got, man? What kind of that's down for sound DSP you running?
Do what?
What kind of DSP you running on it?
Down for sound.
They work pretty good.
They work pretty good, yeah.
Okay, I've been looking at those.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah,
Yeah. Video's refreshing.
Okay, fine. I like how you got that that meter on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, something went wrong with the video.
Yeah, man. Well, let me ask you a few more questions, man. I sure appreciate the demo. What kind of battery you running on this thing?
The Kilo 110
And the alternator?
2 Brand X, 1 320.
Oh yeah, this thing been playing all day long.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm glad it had that Kilo in it.
Yeah,
lithium.
It been playing all day. And I've been running around and everything, and I've been parked over. I said he been playing all day, no problem.
Yeah, my wife's been she's never wanted to do it, but and when I'm at the house, she never wants to fool with it. And I come here and she's wanted to sit here and play with it all day.
You gotta let her do it.
So I was like, have at it, demo it all day.
Yeah, and that's the way to go, ain't it?
Yeah, I said, have at it.
Yeah, man. So anytime you get her to enjoy it, just let her roll with it.
So I said, let me go into my music
and just let it roll.
And I said, you can play with mine. Let me get into this. And,
yeah.
But yeah.
Where can they? Are you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Yeah, on Instagram and TikTok at Tennessee Bangin' Tahoe.
Oh yeah, I think I might already follow you on there. Yeah, I should be sure to give him a follow. I'm gonna tag him in the video. Good seeing you, man.
Yeah.
What's the next show you going to?
Well, the next one they're having out here or in Knoxville.
I thought they're having a night show toward June, I think, something like that. But
I believe there's one in May and then there's one in June, I think.
Okay.
I've got it posted on my Facebook.
Okay,
I'll have to keep up.
I'm gonna try to tag in the video and we'll get together, brother.
Okay, man.
All right, thank you.
I'll see you next time.
All right, thank you. I don't know if you already got one, but I'm gonna give you another anyway.
Yeah, you're right here.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah, you left one in. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it on my vehicle.
Okay, I'll give you extra. Appreciate it, man.
I think Mo is in.